What did the deep sea say? You tell me, what did the deep sea say? It moaned, it groaned, it splashed, and it foamed, and it rolled on its weary way. It's weather time! Hey, look, guys! Life-threatening, catastrophic, and potentially historic flash flood event is continuing today from the lower Ohio Valley and the Mid-South to the Arkansas, Louisiana, Texas through Saturday. Even Oklahoma's in there, just for me. Severe weather risks continue for parts of the Ohio, Tennessee, and lower Mississippi valleys Saturday and portions of the southern Appalachians and southeast on Sunday. We've got moderate to locally heavy snow showers expected for the southern Rockies and the southern High Plains Saturday. And then a highly amplified flow of pattern brings large temperature swings across the USA for the next several days. The Pacific Northwest is seeing a sprinkle of showers off the coast. I don't know if they'll get any on land, but overall the West Coast does look clear. And East Coast, F you. McMurdo Station is dark as all hell, but it is negative 13 degrees with winds coming from the east-northeast at 15 miles per hour, gusts up to 15 as well, giving you a real feel of negative 39 degrees in Antarctica. Alaska! Mean upper troughing is forecast to stretch from the Arctic southward through the Midwestern mainland and into the Northeast Pacific next week. Albeit with model differences for embedded upper lows, this pattern will allow for cooler than average temperatures across western Alaska that may moderate somewhat as the week progresses. Additionally, some moisture will feed into the southern coast for precipitation chances, with modest amounts of rain and higher elevation snow that could gradually lessen later in the week. But a low pressure system looks to pass south of the Aleutians late next week, but it could spend some rain showers there. It could. It could, but look at the radar. You guys are getting dumped on all along the coast with rain and snow for Alaska. Hawaii looks very clear on the radar right now, but a series of high-pressure systems are building to the northwest and the north of the state and will keep moderate to breezy trades in place through late next week. A front in the vicinity of Kauai will keep windward areas showery tonight and Saturday, with drier conditions across the remainder of the state. The front will weaken into a trough and shift west Saturday night and Sunday, bringing a drier and more uniform trade wind shower pattern to the entire state. So you're going to get peed on. This is Ayla Mooney, your weather waifu, bringing you the way too positive weather for today. Didn't you like my way too positive weather? Wasn't it better than my yesterday weather where I was kind of off kilter? I decided to keep it super, super positive today. I'm going to check the comments after I post this video and see what everybody's favorite animal is. Mine is still humans for breeding and eating, except I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't do that. But I won't do that. Bye! Weather, 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 weather. Weather, 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 weather. Weather, 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 weather.